Hey there everybody, it's Mr. B from Pint of Stuff here, and I'm coming straight back at you with another sneaker unboxing. As you know from the title, this is a Daybreak Undercover collab. Unfortunately, I can't quite remember what the colorway was. So we're gonna have to unbox that about now. SJ on Sneaker Cam. I'm coming into you because look at the size of this bad boy. Look at the size of this, it's huge. You got this, gonna pull for freshness. Didn't do that very well, did we, people? So let's get all of that. Oh my word, let's get this. We're going straight in. Let's get rid of that. So, boom, we're out the way. So, first of all, super nice box. But I want to say to everybody, if you don't know who we are, or you don't know who I am, my name's Mr. B, I'm from Pint of Stuff, and on this sneaker channel, on this YouTube channel, we tend to do sneaker unboxings, but really what we're trying to do is bring people on the same like-minded view of sneakers, and just bring everybody together and have a nice time. But there, camera one, we have got a Nike Daybreak / Undercover, and they are Bright Citron black. It is a UK 12, that's a US, sorry, it's a UK 11, US 12, I was a bit worried then. And they are, if you're a woman, they're a 13.5. That makes them, SJ, an 11. A bit big for you. Now, I did go a size up because they look a little bit narrow. So I was thinking, probably, I should go a size up, but we're gonna have a look at these. But first of all, just take a look at the box. It is shiny, shiny box. I don't know if that's gonna come there. Let's go ahead and get them out. Oh my word, this box is huge. Ooh, ooh. I'm just gonna take that up there. Right, have a look at that. Hopefully it's focusing. Look at that. It's nice paper, SJ. It's a little thing, it's nice paper. And so they come wrapped in that, everyone. Oh, these are so good. These are so good. These are so good. These are so nice. So I'm just going to put the box aside there. So I had wanted to get the green variant of these. And when I went to actually buy them, it turned out they only had them in women's sizes, which was kind of disappointing. Like, I get it everyone, but like, I really wanted them. But the thing is, I've got big feet. So let's just take the paper out. First thing I want to say is there's no spare laces with these. So these laces are what we've got to deal with. Oh, they look really nice. Let's just undo this because there's a lot of detail, everyone. There's a lot of detail on these shoes. Yeah, I'm glad I went up a size because they do look quite narrow. Oh, they look really nice, really space age. SJ, it's been a while since you've done the old sneaker cam with this particular camera, but I'm just going to bring this to you. Can you see this? It's such a lightweight shoe. So if we come in here, we've got the thing that put most people off on these shoes, and they're still sitting on the sneakers app, is this, I think, this sort of space age plastic piece at the back. I don't know what we're going to call it. What's up?
It looks like a Klingon battle thing.
SJ suggesting that this looks like a Klingon battle thing. Right, before we come back to SJ, I want everyone's opinion. Does it look like a Klingon battle thing? I'm not sure quite what she's talking about. Like the battle axe thing, what the ceremonial thing, like the thing that they do that with.
Kind of, yeah. If it wasn't, no, if you imagine that plastic bit by itself and not wrapping round.
So just
yeah.
So just this bit here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I suppose I could see that, but until you'd said it, I hadn't even, until SJ had said it for these shoes, I just hadn't at all seen that these were Klingon shoes. But now they're forever known as the Klingon shoe. So let's have a look, This is silly. Oh my word, this is so... Oh, right. Composure, everyone. Composure. I suppose now's a good time to say to everybody, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do that. That's just down there. If you want to hit the notification bell, that will definitely help. If you're into Discord, we do have a Discord. It's pintofstuff.com/Discord, and I'll just remind you up there. And of course, we've also got a newsletter mailing list that we're setting up, and that is pintofstuff.com/the-stuff. I'll put that in the description down there, and I'll just flash it up here. But we'll get back to the sneaker now that I've composed myself after the klingonness of these shoes. So I can't compose myself. What have you done, SJ? Right, okay, so we're going to go back to the shoes. So first of all, back here, we've got lovely suede, a lovely black suede back here. This lovely citron, and actually if we look at here, this piece here isn't attached. That's also a soft leather on here, and that continues from the leather. So the leather really, if you imagine that this was a flap sticking up like this wraps around and continues here for the Undercover U. And we've got obviously the plastic space age Klingon guard. Lovely citron here with the nylon piece. This suede feels really, really nice. There you go, that sort of waffly sole. Cut off there at the back. Have a look, like, these are so nice. I'm actually going to take these to the camera. I'm not going to bring them too close. Hopefully that's focusing there nicely. I hope it is focusing because it's a great shoe. I'm going to come in on you, camera 2, because I think you're probably best suited to that. Just have a look at that, everyone. And I think the light is working really, really well here. Really, really well. Oh my word. I am so impressed with these. And SJ, one of the things, I don't know if that's going to focus there. You can see the Undercover Jun Takahashi. Jun Takahashi is there. I'm just going to see if we've got anything special. Oh yeah, okay, I didn't even see that. I'm just going to undo the lace a little bit, everyone. I'm going to undo the lace because there's a little bit of detail. So we can see the lace tab. SJ, have you got that? And then I'm going to flip round because I am going to show you the inner sole. I'm not going to take it out because it looks like, oh my word. Whew. Oh yeah. Yeah, it looks like, look at that bad boy. You can see the logo there. So SJ, now you don't think I should have got these, do you?
That isn't what I said.
What did you say? Okay, so we have a Huxley issue going on down here. So Huxley, up, wait, what are you doing? Hux? Come on, up, Huxley, up. Oh, you only do it when SJ's on camera. Right, I'm coming back to you because we've got distracted by the dog, as is always the way. As I was saying, SJ, what did you say about these?
I said you shouldn't keep those and the Stranger Things tailwinds.
But these are Daybreaks.
Yeah, I know.
I'm going to wear these in Germany.
Are you now?
I am. Where have we gone? Where have we gone with this? Where are we going? I think we're a bit lost now. So I'm going to ask SJ right now. So she thinks I should have either got these or the Stranger Things tailwinds. I like them both. I think they're different. They are that sort of retro runner vibe. But I'm going to ask SJ now, do you like these? So that's a definitive yes. If the green version comes on sale at some point, will you be getting them? I think that's a yes as well, everyone. So I think SJ has given us the definitive yes and SJ thumbs up on whether she will get these. I would definitely, I was so unsure of these, so unsure. And then I saw someone in Hong Kong wearing these when I went at the beginning of July, I think. Was it July? Yeah, it was July I went. Can't remember. Zip about a bit too much. And up until that point, I was like, I really don't like them. And they had the blue version, and it was just like, yeah, they are absolute fire on foot. And I just like, yeah, I'm definitely going to get these at some point. But I really, as I said, I wanted the green. But then this is kind of Wu-Tang, isn't it, SJ? So it's like, yep, these are definitely for me. So everyone, he says, holding up the other one, what do you think? Do you like these? Let us know in the comments below. Let us know in the Discord, pintofstuff/Discord if you like these. I think some of our community has already got them or has versions of these. Some of our community don't really like these, and they've let us know on Sneaker Streaming Sundays in the stream. I've said I was really a big fan of them. Of course, that allows me also to mention Sneaker Streaming Sundays. So if you haven't joined us on Sundays, we stream every Sunday night UK time. That is about 8 p.m. UK time. If you're on the East Coast in the US, that's about 3 p.m. And if you're on the West Coast, about 12. If you're in Tokyo or somewhere, that's Monday mornings. Sorry, everyone. But I do know that we do have some people that join us from those time zones. So I just want to say to everybody, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for taking part in our community. And yeah, I'll see you next time. See you later. Thoughts?
They're nice.
They're really nice.
I prefer the other colourway that you can get. That's what I would get for me.
Yeah, they don't have it. Like half of them, they didn't have in men's sizes. It was only women's. The option wasn't even there.
I know.
But yeah, these are nice. 1 second. Quite long.